Well, what we've announced today is £350 million of funding from the EPSRC going into a network of around 70 centres for doctoral training across Great Britain.
Centres of doctoral training are where a number of universities come together, backed by industry, and bring a cohort of students together. So we bring students from different backgrounds together and we train them and they do research. And this is really an excellent way of them gaining PhDs and adding to the economic growth of this country.
The relationship between VT's R&D activities and EPSRC goes back to the start, to 65, nearly 50 years. The CGTs are going to create the UK Centres of Excellence and really help to establish the research landscape in a very real sense over the next few years. And they importantly create the skills and expertise that companies like BT need.
Dyson works with dozens of British universities and is a strategic partner with the EPSRC. This type of investment by the government and by companies like Dyson will result in increased exports globally over the next 20 years and the creation of the wealth that we need.
The really big thing for us moving forward is that we've got 17 industrial partners who will all play a role in designing our projects, delivering our technical training, delivering our transferable skills training. We've already seen our industrial partners beginning to work together in a new way as they work around the students and creating projects for the students.
The doctoral training centre allowed me to retrain from my initial degree. It also allowed me to enter a PhD with a cohort, so a group of 10 other people in a very similar position to myself, which meant that we could support each other through peer support and peer review during the actual taught process, as well through the research continuing through the 4-year PhD process.
Above all, it's the young people who are going to be Britain's future, and seeing them getting to the levels of training involved in achieving a doctorate, that gives one great hope. These are very smart people that are entitled to be trained to the limits of their abilities, and that's what is being offered now.